Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to clear Google storage on Android phone. So I'm on here on my Google application, I'm keeping tapped on it. And here is the information icon on the top right. Now scroll down and you will find the option of storage and hit over there. Now you will find the apps, data, the cache and the total storage it is taking on my phone. So if I want to clear the cache, I'll just tap on the clear cache on the lower right corner and the cache is cleared. And if you want to delete the or remove or clear the storage of the data of my Google, so what you need to do is just to tap on the clear data and the data will be cleared or the Google storage will be cleared from my Android phone. So as I currently don't want to do it, I'm not just tapping on clear data. So yeah, all you need to do is just to clear the data and the cache files. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.